Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. And we also enter our projects into Saturday Morning Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood, and you may use the hashtag SatMoreMakes. All the ladies' links will be down below, so make sure you join in. All right, so this week we were to create with flowers. And next week's theme, I will have either go across the screen right here, or you can check out the description box. All right, so I am using the Sunflower Serenade die from Spellbinders. From LDRS, I am using this smaller inside layer die there. Spellbinders once again. I'm using all of the word stamps, or sentiment stamps rather. And then I'm also using from Spellbinders the beveled diamonds. And these are my cards that I created this week. Thought I would do a set. My sister was requesting that she needed a set of cards, so I thought I would go ahead and do some faith cards, and this is what I came up with. I thought they turned out so pretty. I did ink up the cards with some distress ink, forgot the colors, and I also used it on the background layer. And then on the bevel edge, I did use some spray it's like a glitter spray that I put on there. I don't know for sure if you can see it, but it is there. And then I used the inside, the larger layer for the inside there. But I thought they turned out so pretty. So this one's Sending Prayers, God is on Your Side. They're all pretty much the same. Lead Me, Let Faith Arise, and Love Never Fails. So that is the set of cards that I created. I also added some gems on there, but I love how they turned out. I thought they were beautiful. Make sure you enter our collabs so that we can come over and visit and see what you have created for the week. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.